Hey guys, what's good? How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2100 soundbar. This is 2.1 channel soundbar. This soundbar is called the Beast. 240 watts audio power. This soundbar is Dolby Audio, DTS, TV mode. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This soundbar got 3 speakers and 6 equalizer settings. So let's check this stuff out and see what is inside. It will help to unleash your TV sound. This soundbar can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer. This is the information pack. There we go. This is very sleek and light. It's not heavy. Accessories are in here. This is brilliant stuff, very light. There we go. And see what it looks like. And the power cable goes in here. You have aux port, USB, HDMI and optical. This soundbar is very light. The Beast, 240 watts audio power, 6 equalizer mode, Bluetooth 5.3, super powerful bass, ease play, multi connection, TV mode, ultra slim subwoofer and TV mate. HS series 2.1 channel soundbar, DTS and Dolby Audio. Hisense the Beast. This is the subwoofer here, very slim. Brilliant. Look at that. So this, you got black clothing here. The rest is covered with plastic, and at the back here you switch this off and reset it from here. The power cable goes in here. Now what is in here? The accessories. So you have HDMI cable included in the packaging, which is handy. This is power cables, the 2 power cables. One is for soundbar, the other one is for subwoofer. and battery. Also the remote control. So we start with, we put the battery first. So you take the negative to the top right. So when you are holding the remote control, so the negative go to the top right and the positive at the bottom. Then on the left side, the negative be on the bottom, the positive be on the top. Then after that, then push this up to close it. Now this is the power cable. So take one of the power cable, go at the back, push it inside it, then plug it onto the socket. Then take this one as well. Go at the back of the subwoofer, push it inside, plug it. Then plug it onto the power socket. So we're going to measure this soundbar from this end to this end is 80 centimeter. You can call it length. This is 9 centimeter. So length is 80 centimeter and this is 9 centimeter width. And the subwoofer from the front to the back is 35 centimeter. From front to the back is 35 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. Then from the top or height is 30 centimeter. This soundbar deserves your attention. You can also switch this off and on from this button, and this button here is the input plus for you to increase the volume, minor is for you to decrease the volume. You select the input, Bluetooth, USB, okay, aux if you haven't got the remote control. But you can also select this from the remote control. Okay, this soundbar deserves your attention. It's beautiful, very sleek, the beast. It helped unleash your TV sound. This gear deserves your attention. So what I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar. This is Hisense HS2.1 channel soundbar, HS2100 soundbar. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via optical cable, HDMI and Bluetooth. HDMI cable is included in the packaging. What I want to do now is to show you how to connect this to your TV using optical cable. So switch off the soundbar and unplug it from the power. Then you take the optical cable, go in to optical. So go take the cable and push it to the optical. And this is in. And take this end of the cable, go to your TV where it's written optical digital audio out. Push the cable inside and it's in. Now plug the power cable for the TV, plug the soundbar to the socket, and also plug the subwoofer to the power. Now switch the soundbar on.
Power on.
Power on. Then use the input to select optical.
USB. ARCs.
Optical. Now switch the TV on. Okay, the TV is on. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to go to your TV settings. This is the TV audio. Okay, this is the TV audio. So go to the TV settings. Scroll down to the sound. And it's showing us now TV speaker. Okay, sound out is showing us TV speaker. You need to select on the sound out. Scroll to the side to optical. Optical out device, select on it. This soundbar is connected, and when it's in the optical, then you use the remote control for the soundbar to increase the volume. This is the audio. Okay, so when it's in optical, like I said, you use the soundbar remote control to increase the volume, but this soundbar is connected, and this is the audio. USB, optical, auxi. This is music. DC in is the power cable. Okay, so you have 4 ports at the back here. Okay.
Music.
Movie. And it's in. Okay. Now take the other end of the cable, end of that optical cable to
movie. News.
This is news.
So this is LG TV.
You can see the voice.
So take the other end of the cable to back of your TV where it's written.
30 on a bad day.
So scroll down to the sound, and you can see the sound is showing us TV speaker. We need to select on the sound.
So thank you very much, guys. This is how to hook this up. Thank you and stay blessed.